got you, Ruby, watching your favourite advert. Yeah, I got you. I got you. No, Ruby's favourite advert. You weird. Poor Daisy says, right, help me, I'm sitting here and I don't like it. Ew, don't do that to her. Be quiet. Someone wants to hear you barking, trust me. Oh, you'll be wanting to go to Disneyland next, Ruby. Is that the next plan? Hey everyone, how are you all? Basically, I'm making my dinner. I'm having pasta with smoked sausages and some sauce stuff. Why did I just put the camera really close to my face? I'm sorry about that. Ruby, say hi. Aww. Oh guys, little update. My battery's dead, so bear with. If it dies, this is why. Yeah, my brother found out why she watches the telly. Like that. Apparently, she can see what we see, right? But she doesn't understand that it's not there. She thinks it's really there, like really there, but she doesn't understand that it's fake. So she thinks it's real, and that's why when she sees an animal or anything exciting, she barks at it. But she can't see what we see, right? We see red, she doesn't see that. She sees in yellow. So that's pretty much it. Isn't that cool, Boo? Yeah. She's the human dog, pretty much. Isn't you? Oh yeah, it's right, stop. Oh, you've already broken it. She's actually broken my laptop. She's broken the keyboard. So I had to get a new laptop on Monday. Not fun. Got my snacks. And I'm all ready to do some vlogging. Seriously, don't get dogs. And I just fed the dogs some food. You know what it is? They actually got a little bit of treats with their dinners tonight. They got some smoked sausages with pasta that I had for my dinner. And I didn't eat it all. I made too much myself, so they got some. Which I'm not thinking we're going to complain about. So, yeah. I've been trying best part of today to get back into my music channel, and finally got through and got into it. So I'm going to try and record a video just now of me singing. I just need to practice the song first a few times to get it right, and then I'll upload it. So that should be up by the time you're watching this. And obviously you got this video going up as well, so busy. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take all the Christmas decks down though. I'm thinking. What do you think, guys? Keep it up for a little bit longer or take it down? What do you reckon? I don't know what to do. I kind of want them to stay. I like them. Right, it's the next day, as you guys can probably tell. But I'm just about to do something kind of cool for the camera. And I don't know if it's going to work, but it used to over a year ago. This is suet for a robin that I have in my back garden. And he's very, very friendly. If you put suet in your hand, he will eat it from you. And my goal is for me to hold that and me filming him eat it. But if he doesn't, then it's going to come out rubbish. But hey ho. Let's see what happens. Okay, so filming the robin didn't exactly go to plan. He didn't turn up. But other birds turned up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed them via you guys watching. So the food's out on the table and it's just up to them to come and basically eat some food. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my tripod and my camera here at the window, and we're going to film the birds like we did last time with a robin. And I bet you anything he turns up. What do you think of my dinner, guys? Cheesy pasta, carrots, broccoli, and some cauliflower, tomatoes, cucumber. Pretty good, huh? Daisy seems to be excited, and so does Ruby. If I don't eat it all, then I might get some. It is. Oh, you saying hello? You saying hello? Oh. Right guys, I'm going to end today's vlog. I'm not sure how long it is because it was a bit of yesterday and obviously a bit of today. So it's maybe a moderately okay vlog. But I'm having problems at the minute uploading vlogs because YouTube's being funny with me. I can't directly upload it, but that's maybe because my actual laptop's not really working. The keyboard doesn't work at all, and I think the whole laptop is just falling apart, slowly shutting down on me. So yeah, I am getting a new laptop tomorrow, so tomorrow's vlog should be easier to upload. Fingers crossed. But there shouldn't be any problems. It's a new laptop, it should be fine. Yeah, right guys. Eh? Yeah, and do not break this one. Yeah, I'm following you with the finger. Do not break it, Ruby. Yeah, no matter hugs, we'll get around that one. Yeah, she broke it. Standing on it or drooling on it. So this time, no more will she ever be allowed to watch the vlogs, which she loves doing, because when I'm editing, she's like watching them very, very closely and intently. She's mad. Before I go, I will show you guys something. What do you guys think of my new candle? It's quite cool, huh? And I found this one in the kitchen. Just a normal, boring red candle. Nothing cool, but yeah. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Dizzy, you gonna say bye-bye? What are you doing? Are you getting your ball? Aww.